On today's video, we're making homemade cowboy steak fingers with packet gravy. You're not gonna wanna miss this. All right, so first things first, let's just get this out of the way. We are doing packet gravy. I know. You don't have to tell me, but if I'm just being honest with you, I just kind of want to try it. I ain't never tried it, so save the comments. I don't need to hear them. I got a lot of shit going on right now. Let's go ahead and build our dredge. We got 2 eggs with a cup of buttermilk. We are going to season our dredge flour with a little bit of double pepper cow cover and some SPG. Give that a little mixy mix. Crack you a couple eggs. Buttermilk in. Get the old whiskey going. Boom! We got some cube steak here. I'm gonna cut these in nice little strips. Let's check our oil. Shooting for 350. I feel like that by the time we get them dredged, it'll be nice and right. I do get a lot of questions about the fryer. A lot. Amazon. I believe this fryer right now is probably about $200. When I bought it, it was actually, what was it, $89? So let's get our dredge going. We got dry. Then we'll go wet. I like to really push this stuff in there. Make sure you get it good. You can't have too much chicken fry. Boom. Oh, these are gonna be fantastic. Man, if you are not seasoning your flour, you are missing out. And I know somebody right now is in the comments going, if you're not making gravy from scratch, you're missing out. Touche. Let's do a little cleanup here. All right. Gravy packet 101. Mix your gravy packet with cold water. Did you know that? Yeah, I did not know that. I'll be honest with you, I didn't even know we mixed it with water. Oh, it's thickening too. Well, there's no pepper in here. I'm glad we bought our own. All right, let's see how it is. Need salt. We'll SPG it. We'll SPG it. SPG will fix anything, man. I promise you. Game change. Boom, that's it. That's good. I promise you, you're gonna like that. All right, let's get the fryer going. You ready for that B-roll? That sexy B-roll? Those look good, dude. Those look good. I'll throw them back in the fryer. Throw them back in for the double fry. Homemade packet gravy. They look good, dude. They smell good. They look good. They are good. This is hot still. Alright, I'm going in. Packet gravy 101. Here we go. We're hot. I shouldn't have did that. That's good though. Believe it or not, that gravy's good. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Double pepper gravy with a splash of pepper. Like that. Are we gonna do that? I feel like everybody on TikTok that does takes the knife and, you know, scratches it to Look, I fried something that's actually crispy. Look, we fried stuff. You throw meatballs, we knock them out of the park.